We're at Memphis in May Festival, International BBQ Festival, and this is Home Depot's pavilion where different brands come together for outdoor grilling and they present their products. So we have here Next Grill and we have Gozney over here with their beautiful Arc XL oven and their dome. There you go, some pizza. We have here the Napoleon grills. It's a great day, it's not too hot to be out. Just enjoying the good weather, the music, and the barbecue, of course. This is a very interesting grill. I love the concept. You can lower it or make it higher, and then the fire is down here. They said that these are going to be available soon exclusively at the Home Depot for a very competitive price. I just had some wings from them. I tried their wings. The wings were great.
We'll try it.
What is that?
Steak.
Steak. Thank you. Look at all this amazing food. Ooh, looks good. And over here we have the Ninja grills. Cooking. I had some pizza before, which was great. We tried that one too. Some sausages with chimichurri. Let's see. They're actually making another pizza right now. We have a Kamado Joe smoking over here. I think they put a brisket on and a royal oak. And we have this one over here, Traeger, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Beautiful grills too. Sauces. They're also doing a little brisket, I guess. Let's see what we have on this side. We have Weber with all their kettle grills, some huge ones. I'm sorry if it's a little bit windy. This is actually in use right now, this huge one. Not sure what they're cooking on it. Then we have Kingsford here. Some chips. And of course, Lodge. Here is Razor cooking some chicken. Jealous Devil with their charcoal, which I've used before and it's great.
How are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. And we have the barbecue spot. They have some good tacos over here. Well, brisket tacos.
More moist, has more marbling inside of it. That makes sense. So that's the one I want to eat.
And fogo. Oh, look at this beauty. Just look how pretty is this. Some pineapple they have going on over there with brown sugar, caramelizing. That looks good. Their display is beautiful. Of course, a FedEx airplane. We have lots of those around here. Look at all of this. That pineapple smells amazing. And I think that's a connected Kamado Joe. Oh, tomahawk?
Yeah, it's a tomahawk steak. This is a ribeye steak.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And then they're serving here something. Could be pork. I got myself a little burnt end of brisket here. Haven't tried it yet, but it smells good. It sure smells good. And over here, they have a lot of cooking shows from different companies. Earlier, it was Royal Oak charcoal, and I think right now they're preparing for Traeger. We'll see how that goes. It looks like they have a brisket as well going on. So excited to see that one.